So in the coming weeks, the DJI Mini 3 Pro will be coming out, and I can definitely say I'll be getting one. And why am I getting one? Haven't I got enough drones? I've got quite a few, I'll be honest. I am sort of addicted to drones. But I will be honest, guys, my top drone that I fly at the moment is my Mavic Air 2. It's a big drone, but it does everything I want. It's got the distance. It does a few things that I couldn't do on other drones, especially with the time lapse, getting in close and things like that. But I really love the drone. But with my Mini 2, which is another fantastic drone, I'll be honest, guys, I think if you was buying a drone for the first time, the Mini 2 is still a great contender. But my Mavic Air 2 is a big drone. It is a bit heavy, not that heavy, but it's heavy. Obviously restrictions as well does minimize certain things that I want to do. But with the new Mini 3 Pro, looks like that's going to solve all my problems. So what I want to do, if you ever follow my drone channel that I've been running over years, I've called it numerous things, and now I'm sticking with Sean the Drone because I do drone on a bit. And I thought what I'll try and do is like I did in the old days when the Phantom 3 Standard first came out. I did loads of videos, tutorial videos on what it could do, and this is what I've been trying to do over this past sort of 6 months. I've been going back from my Vision Plus that I first still got. I haven't got my Phantom 1s anymore. I've lost 2 of those when I first bought them years back. But all my other drones, my advanced, let's have a look here. I've got my Spark, I've got my Mavic Pro, I've got my Mavic Air, obviously. I bought my Mavic Mini. Now, I did buy that in a bit of a rush, and I wish I hadn't bought that drone because it's nothing like the Mini 2. But the Mini 3 Pro, wow, that will be an amazing little drone. Seems to have everything on it, and I've got full confidence in DJI. There hasn't been a time, I don't think. I mean, always when they rush out these drones, I believe when they brought out the Mavic Pro, they had a couple of glitches, and obviously with the new Mavic 3, they had a few glitches of that, but they've always sorted it out. I think they put a lot of work into these drones, so I've got full confidence that the drone's going to be fantastic. So keep watching, guys, because in the coming weeks, you will see me showing you guys what it's got to offer, really. I honestly think the Mavic Pro, what am I on about? The Mini Pro 3 is going to knock the spots off any of the drones that are on the market at the moment. But I want to just let you know why I'm getting the Mini 3 and not holding back. I'm not selling my other drones. I'm still keeping those because I still want to, over the years, to fall back. So I know a lot of people still got older drones, but I am looking forward to this new drone that's coming out on the market. Now, I believe May the 10th does seem to be the set date now. Argus has just put out a launch for the Mini 3. Got some fantastic photographs. Obviously, the information that we already know is pretty true to the spec. So, watch this space, as they say. And as I say, guys, fly safe. And I'll catch you, hopefully, showing you the new Mini 3.